students, my name is Amrita Singh and today I am going to teach you that how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. As you already know, this is the topic of class 9th and you know how to draw the rational number on the number line. Now I will learn how to draw irrational number only, okay? So this is our number line. You know already, this is 0 which is center of the number line. And to the right side of the number line, we draw all positive numbers like 1, 2, 3. And to the left of the 0, we represent negative numbers, that is -1, -2 and -3. Okay? Now, before going to represent irrational number on number line, first we will see this triangle. Can you tell which type of triangle is this? Yes, this is right angle triangle. That is A, B and C. Okay, right angle triangle. And you know about right angle triangle that this is our base, AB is our base, AB is our base and BC is our perpendicular and AC is our hypotenuse. So, by Pythagoras theorem, you can say that h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, you know already. So, we can find hypotenuse. We can find this length hypotenuse by under root of base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. This, I told you this one before because I am going to use this here on the number line to show the represent the irrational number. Okay. So, if I take, here I will take one example. If I take that base is in this triangle ABC, AB is 1 and BC is 1, then what will be AC? You can say that AC is hypotenuse, that's why you can say that AC will be under root base square plus perpendicular square, that are 1. So you can say under root 1 plus 1 is equal to under root 2. So what will be our hypotenuse? It will be under root 2 and you know the under root 2 is our irrational number. This is our irrational number and we denote it by I. Okay, irrational number. Now the question is how to represent this under root 2 on that number line. Okay, so let's learn. You know that this length is our 1. Okay, this is our 1. If we draw a perpendicular of length 1 only to this point, then you can, if you, and let's suppose this point will be A, this point will be B, and let's suppose this point is C. If you join the point A and C, means origin and that point C, then you can say that this is our what? Right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle, right? Okay. This is 1. This is 1. So what will be AC? Here we solved already. That is, base is 1, perpendicular is 1, then hypotenuse will be what? Under root 2. So you can say that the AC will be under root 2. Okay? It will be under root 2. Okay? We draw under root 2, but we have to represent irrational number on the number line. Okay? This point is here, something here. Okay? We have to draw on the number line under root 2. So what we can do? We will take a compass. Okay? We will put needle here and our pen here. We will take same distance. Okay? We will take constant distance. With constant radius, put compass here and we will draw something like this. Okay? Then compass will cut here on the number line. Where it will cut on the number line, that is, and from the origin, this length will be only under root 2. Okay? So, this point will represent the point under root 2, that is irrational number on the line, on the number line. So, I hope you understood. Let's take one more example. Okay? Let's suppose we have to draw now. We have to draw now under root 3. Okay? Let me rub this. We have to draw under root 3. How you will get under root 3? You can get by 2 plus 1. Okay? 2 is nothing but square of under root 2. Okay? Plus 1. It means if we will take under root 2 as base and 1 is perpendicular, then we will get hypotenuse is equal to under root 3. Okay, so we have already represented under root 2. So we have already the base under root 2. So let's suppose this is our base, that is under root 2, and draw a perpendicular on that point on under root 2, that is 1. So under root 2 plus 1. Now this triangle, this one. Now this triangle is also right angle triangle A, that is suppose D, and that is E. Triangle A, D and E. This will be now new right angle triangle, okay? Which base is under root 2 and which perpendicular is 1. So AE will, what AE will be? AE will be nothing but under root 3, okay? This will be our under root 3. This will be our under root 3. Now again we will take compass. We have to draw this point on the number line. So we will take compass and again we will put here middle and we will draw like this. Like this we will draw on the number line. So it will come around here, okay? So it will be our under root 3, okay? I hope you understood well. Okay, thank you.